Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find the volume of bounded region created by revolving the x-axis. Here is about the function and here is about the graph. They want to find the volume of this region in here. They revolve about x-axis in here. So to do about this one, we need to find about the function of y in here. First, we need to find the intersection in here. So I will put number 3 go in here to find the value of x. And this one we got about x equals to number 3 to the power of 2 over 3. So this one we know that this is about number 0 because we have x equal to number 0 in here. Now about this one, we put about 3 over 2 for the both side. That means we put the power 3 over 2 for the both side. And we have about x to the power of 3 over 2 equals to y. Now, if we look carefully on the graph, this is about y equals to x to the power of 3 over 2. This one is about y equals to number 3. So this is about upper, this is about lower. So we can set up about the integration from 0 to 3 to the power of 2 over 3. And we put b in here. So we know that number 3, that is about upper will go first. And you got about 3 to the power of 2 minus about this function in here to the power of 2 dx. And now we have b and we have the integration from 0 to 3 to the power of 2 over 3. This one you got about number 9. This one you got about x to the power of 3 dx. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 9, you got about 9x. The integration of this one, we have x to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the bounds from 0 to 3 to the power of 2 over 3. And now we have the final answer. Because if I put number 0 on here and here, you got about the bottom negative number 0. So we just simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.